We're going to go through all 251s in 5 minutes. If you want to have a longer explanation about 251s, please visit this video here. We're going to cycle through them through the circle of fifths, which means we'll start in the key of C, then we'll go to the key of G, etc. We're going to focus on harmony with this one, so you can use your right hand or left hand, or even both if you like, just while you're practicing those shapes. For this 251, we're going to start on the 7th of the 2 chord. And that's actually an inversion of the last exercise I had. One little way I think about that is if I've got a D minor triad, I just split that one so it goes up a tone and down a tone like this. This is a D minor 9. And then when we get to our G, all that needs to happen is this note drops down, that gets out our G13, and then the rest of the notes follow. So, when we're transposing to other keys, just remember you're starting on the 7th of the next chord. So if I'm in A, I've got the 7th here, or I can think A minor and split it there. And then I've got my first shape. If you're finding it challenging, just stop and start the video as you need to get those shapes under your fingers, or take the playback speed back if you need to. If you're finding it too easy, try some variations of the rhythm, or even speed up the YouTube playback speed. Alright, let's go through the 12 keys. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, well done if you followed me through all those keys. If you struggled with that, just remember to stop and start and make sure you get those shapes under your fingers before continuing there. I plan to make multiple exercises across many different shapes, many different target focuses, whether bass, harmony and melody. Check out the channel and see what I've got up there. Alright, thank you so much for following me through that one, and I'll see you in the next video.